Sometimes your mail or your email will not work. No mail shows up here or it says account error. If that is the case, this cannot be fixed, so we need to go around it a different way. Go to Safari and type in JCPS. Click Go. Then you will click on JCPS Students. Click Logins. Click Webmail. Then type in your email address. Then type in your email address, which is your first name dot your last name at stu.jefferson.kyschools with an s.us. Copy, select all, copy your email account in case you need to use it again. Type in your password that starts with JCPS, capital your initials, and then type in your 4 numbers. Next, to start new, click Outlook. And now you are in your email where you can check your email or send a new one. To send a new email, click New Message. Type who you'd like to send it to. There's Mr. Shetler's email. Add subject. And that's how you get to your email. So that you don't have to do this every time, click the box with the arrow in the top right corner and then choose Add to Home Screen. You can keep it Outlook or you can type in Email. Click Add, and if you would like, you can hold it down and move it down here where Mail was and take that out.